Hi guys, what's up? I'm Jam. It's fall and today we are making protein-packed pumpkin muffins. You're gonna love them. Let's go. I love this recipe because it's made with clean ingredients and warm anti-inflammatory spices. It's festive and perfect for fall. It's well balanced, so it's a perfect breakfast for on the go. This is the busiest time of the year. You're gonna start with 2 bowls and combine all of your dry ingredients in one and all of your wet ingredients in another, and then combine both of those. I'm gonna have the portion set up on the screen and start with your protein powder. I use a plant-based protein powder, vanilla flavored. Second ingredient, I'm using gluten-free oat flour. It's a cleaner alternative to regular flour, and when you mix it with proteins and fats, it helps prevent blood glucose spikes and keeps your blood sugar balanced. Third and most important ingredient, 100% pure pumpkin. Next, you're going to add baking powder. Then you're going to add baking soda, salt, cinnamon. Cinnamon is one of those warm anti-inflammatory spices, as well as nutmeg. It also helps with digestion. And of course, just a pinch of ground ginger. I'm going to whisk all that. I did it wrong. I don't think it's gonna matter, but you're technically supposed. Technically, according to the recipe, you're supposed to combine all the dry ingredients and then all the wet ingredients as I instructed you. But I accidentally put the pumpkin in, so we're just gonna go for it and see if that actually matters. Optional. Collagen peptides. It's gonna add some denseness, it's gonna add extra protein, and it's gonna make you look beautiful. It's really important when you're shopping for eggs to get soy-free, corn-free. Soy and corn are ingredients that cause inflammation, so it's better for your gut and overall health if you choose soy-free, corn-free eggs. Next, we're going to add our natural sweetener. This is some local honey. You can use maple syrup if you want. But I love this honey we got at a local honeybee farm. And our coconut milk. And some warmed coconut oil. Going to whisk all that together. Meanwhile, I am preheating my oven to 350. I think we just discovered something. I don't think you have to combine them in separate bowls. I think it's fine if you just do it all together. Add your vanilla extract. Make sure you get 100% pure. Then you want to fold in your nuts. I'm using pecans and pepitas mixed together. You could slow roast your pepitas. I wanted to just throw in some raw ones. So just fold those in. It's important to not over mix this batter. So just get it so that everything's evenly distributed. And then we're going to pop them in the muffin tray. So I have pre-lined my muffin tray. You want to get your hands a little bit wet so the batter doesn't stick to you. You just want to kind of make some big pumpkin balls. You're going to throw them in the muffin cups. I love this recipe because it's made with clean ingredients and warm anti-inflammatory spices. Okay, and we're ready to pop them in the oven. Also, anything orange, any vegetable or fruit that's orange is great for your skin and your eyes. So this is like basically a beauty elixir. So we're gonna pop these in at 350 for 20 minutes. Keep an eye on them, put a toothpick in them, and when it comes out dry, they're ready to go. Let them sit for 5 minutes, and I will come back with the finished product. There we go. They're all done. And I have to say, I think this is the best batch yet. We're gonna let these cool for 5 minutes and then we're gonna give them a try. Really pretty. These are honestly everything I wanted them to be and more. So I'm gonna keep them in the freezer and have them for quick breakfast on the go. I'm sure my boyfriend will eat them as desserts and snacks. It's a pumpkin muffin pyramid, that's what it is. Look at that. Now I've already had 3 of these today from my other batch, but let's give it a try. These are delicious on their own, but I'm treating myself today. I'm just gonna do a little grass-fed butter. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So good. Absolutely delicious. Listen, it makes my day when you tell me that you tried out my recipe, and maybe even my whole week when you send me a picture. So try these out. Let me know what you think. Please like and subscribe and leave me a comment. Let me know what you want to see next. Happy fall!